How to actually use the unlinked mentions features in Obsidian? Well, this is the subject of this video. Hey everyone, Matt Giaro here, and on this channel I help content creators turn their ideas into an income. So if that sounds like you, hit the subscribe button now. And before digging deeper into today's video, please make sure to check out the first link in the description, which will give you access to a free PDF that will give you the 3 powerful tips to supercharge your note-taking system, and this no matter which app you're actually using. So with that being said, let's just jump right into Obsidian to show you exactly how to use the unlinked mention. So it can be a little bit overwhelming, especially because Obsidian has all these a lot of bells and whistles. So let me just simplify this for you today. So as you can see here, I'm inside my demo vault in Obsidian, and I have actually 2 notes here. So I have the computer note and I have the phone note. And actually Obsidian is built around the fact that great ideas come up when you combine ideas between them. So as an example, a smartphone is just the combination of 2 ideas between the computer and a phone. So how can you actually mimic this ideation process? This is actually when you can take full advantage, if you take actually full advantage of the unlinked mentions here. So here I have my two notes here, as you can see. So I've mentioned the word phone here in the first computer note, and if I go now to my phone note here, as you can see, it actually tells me that, hey, look, you have an unlinked mention here. You have the word phone that is actually also mentioned in another note. So would you like to link it? And if I'm going to click link, it will actually link it. But here's the thing. Look, actually, if I'm going to, the thing is that Obsidian only looks up the title of the note. So let's just put the title screen here, and let's say talk about phone here. And as you can see, what will happen right now. So as you can see here, right now what's happened is that right now I have now 2 unlinked mentions. So first I have got the word phone, which is mentioned in the computer node, as you can see here, and also in the screen node. So what I can do right now is I can directly jump into that and see actually if it makes sense. If it makes sense, I can just go back here and then just start linking it. And if I go back right now to the screen node, I see that phone has actually a backlink to the screen note has actually a backlink to the phone note. I can go to the phone note, and right now, as you can see, it is actually in the linked mentions section, which makes actually sense because we just linked it together. Here's the thing. Right now, let's just create another note here, and let's just name it keyboard, and let's just write this down here. It would be cool to have a phone, or to have phones with a keyboard. So as you can see, right now I've mentioned the word phones, but right now I just added an S to it because I'm talking about more than one phone. So the issue here right now is that it actually makes sense to actually link to it into the phone note, but the thing is that because the spelling is not exactly the same, it will not appear. So let me just change this to phone in singular, and right now let's just go back here, and as you can see right now, keyboard actually appears. So the unlinked mention feature is great, but the thing is that you have to understand that you have to actually name your notes very well, and there don't have to be any difference in spelling and so on and so forth to actually take full advantage of that. So I hope you appreciate this quick video about how to actually take full advantage of the unlinked mentions in Obsidian. And just to remind you, actually, you can download the free PDF that will give you 3 powerful tips to supercharge your note-taking system by clicking the first link in the description. And also, if you appreciate this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to release more content like that in the future. And also, thanks to the YouTube algorithm, you can also watch another video here on this channel. And yeah, with that being said, I see you guys in the next one.